5 apps to create Facebook so you don't get disabled. The reason why your Facebook account is always getting disabled is because your MAC address has been blacklisted. Before I share with you these 5 apps that you can use to create Facebook so you don't get disabled, let me explain to you why your Facebook account is always getting disabled. The reason your account is always getting disabled is because your MAC address has been blacklisted. But if your Android version is 10 and above, Facebook can't have access to your MAC address. But why is it that your account is always getting disabled despite the fact that your Android version is 10 and above? It is simple. I'm going to explain all in this video. Facebook can identify you through your browsing fingerprints. Now, this involves collecting unique details of your device, such as browser type, your IP address, your time zone, your screen resolution, and lots more. That is why it is not advisable to buy a used phone, because the first person who used that phone might have violated Facebook community guideline. Now, which is the cause of anytime you create Facebook, it is always getting disabled. So the best solution, if you don't want your Facebook account to get disabled again, is to buy a new phone. But if you don't have the means to get a new device, I'm going to show you 5 apps you can use to create Facebook account so you don't get disabled again. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you some tips to keep your Facebook strong and it is going to last longer. That is, if you don't violate Facebook community guidelines. These 5 apps prevent tracking by default. Now, number 1 app that you can use to create Facebook account without getting disabled is DuckDuckGo. Now, let's go to Play Store. This is Play Store. Now, at the search bar of Play Store, please write DuckDuckGo. Write DuckDuckGo, and this app will pop up. Please install this app. Now, once you are done with the installation, tap it open. Now, if you scroll down, as you can see, it says actively protect your data, private search, browser, ad blocking, VPN, and more. So with this app, DuckDuckGo, you can create Facebook account without getting disabled. Now, number 2 app to create Facebook account without getting disabled is Brave. Now, at the search bar of Play Store, please write Brave. Let's write Brave, and this browser will pop up. Now, install this app. Now, let's scroll down. Let's look at the features of this app. As you can see, they said fast internet with AI, ad block and VPN, browse on a safe incognito web browser. So if you want to create Facebook without getting disabled, it's either you choose between DuckDuckGo or you choose Brave. There are 3 more. So number 3 app to create Facebook without getting disabled is Vivaldi Browser. Now, at the search bar of Play Store, write Vivaldi. Write Vivaldi, and this app will pop up. Now, this is the browser we are going to install. Now, let's look at the feature of this app, what this app is all about. Now, let's tap it. Now, let's scroll down. As you can see, they said powerful, personal and private web browser, fast, secure, no tracking, ad blocker. Now, with this app, you can create Facebook without getting disabled. Now, number 4 browser that you can use to create Facebook without getting disabled is the Tor browser. Now, at the search bar of Play Store, let's write this, and this browser will pop up. Now let's look at the feature of this app. Now scroll down. As you can see about this app, experience real private browsing without tracking. Now, number 5 browser app that you can use to create Facebook without getting disabled is Firefox. Now let's go to Play Store. At the search bar of Play Store, please write Firefox. Write Firefox and this app will pop up. You can install this app. Now let's look at the feature of this app. As you can see about this app, they said build your web browser around you with private search and more. These 5 apps by default stops tracking. So if you don't want your Facebook account to get disabled again, you can use any of them to create your Facebook account. And please take note, if you violate Facebook community guidelines, you are still going to get disabled. So if you don't want to get disabled by Facebook, please don't violate Facebook community guidelines. It's as simple as that. Please, this video is for educational purpose only. I'm Casey the Tech Guy. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. One love everybody. Obrigado.